Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sweet Pelly here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you also for coming back. Today's video, I'm sharing with you guys this amazing immune booster tea that has saved my life. Yeah, it has really saved my life. So I was diagnosed with COVID-19 just yesterday, and it all started last weekend on the 10th April. My little girl wasn't feeling well, so we all decided to do COVID test, and she was positive. And I know she got it from the kindergarten because there were few kids that got it within last week. I am vaccinated, so I thought maybe I wasn't going to get it, but not knowing I was in my incubation period, I felt so terrible, so I decided to do the test and I was positive. And this tea has really helped me. Yeah. So in a bowl, I have organic garlic, organic ginger, and 1/4 organic cloves. Then also 2 lemon. Yeah, that is also organic. Yeah, so I went ahead and blend everything together. So after blending it, this is how it looks like, the mixture looks like. And I went ahead and slide my lemon. I needed juice in it, so I went ahead and squeeze out the juice. And my symptoms is not serious. I have sore throat, I cough, and I don't have headaches, and I have body pains. Yeah, I can also eat. Yeah, so this tea has really helped me with the sore throat and the cough. Yeah, I started drinking it just yesterday on the 11th, and today is on the 12th, and the sore throat is, I mean, totally gone, and the coughing is also a bit better. Yeah, this is one of my husband's favorite. I mean, tea. Whenever he has cold, this is what he drinks. I have never tried this before, but I was I was like, okay, let me try this tea. Maybe it's gonna help me because they didn't give me any medication. All they said was I had to be at home for 1 week and then wait for in the seventh day then I will do another test. Yeah. So that's the tea. I went ahead and then boiled some water. Yeah, me drinking my tea. So I went ahead again and then added some organic honey. So all the ingredient that I used was organic. Yeah, I wanted to get the 100%. How do I put it? The 100% benefit. So all what I used was organic. Yeah. So so that's my strainer, tea strainer. I couldn't drink it like that, so I went ahead and then strained it. Yeah. So yeah, so far so good. I have also done a lot of research about COVID, and there are a few things that I'm practicing, like breathing exercise to improve the lungs, shoulder pumping exercise. It also help improve the lungs, and abdominal breathing. Yeah, I'm doing that, and also I have to move a lot. I'm not always in bed, no. So as I said earlier on, my symptoms are mild. No fever, just sore throat, coughing. I mean, from beginning, that was from yesterday, and yeah, body pains. Yeah, but today, as I'm talking, 12 April, the body pains is gone. The sore throat is also gone. Just that I'm coughing in between. Yeah. So So when I was done with the teen, I wanted to give my little girl. This is the little girl who brought the COVID. So we are wearing masks because my husband is still negative, and my other daughter is also negative. I wanted her to try the tea, but she didn't drink it. Yeah. So I started steam inhalation yesterday. Yeah, and it has really helped me. Steam inhalation does not exactly kill the virus, but the process just makes you feel a little better as your body fights the virus. Yeah. So I do this 2 times a day, morning and evening, and I drink the tea 3 times in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So the immune booster tea, the steam inhalation, my husband does that every day. I have never tried it. Sometimes I do when I have cold, yeah. But with this COVID, yeah, it has really helped me. It has, yeah. So my fingers are crossed, and I hope everyone who is infected get well soon with a speedy recovery. So thank you so much for watching till this very point. See you in my next video. Stay safe.